How to root Samsung J1 EC. Today I will show you routing process of Samsung Galaxy J1 AC. Okay, first of all go to download mode and connect USB to PC. Now power off phone and go to recovery mode. Yes, you can see twrp recovery. It's come working this phone. Okay, let's see twrp which version this work of this phone. Twrp recovery version 2.8.7.0. You can download this twrp and super user. My video description link is appear. Okay, here you can download this file. Now swipe to phone. Okay. Install. Now copy super user this phone memory and then install this. Now press install. Here you can see update SuperSU 2.46 version as zip. Select, swipe to confirm for this flashing started and working. Okay, now reboot system and wait some time to completely install this super user and root this phone. Okay. Here you can see super user is installed this phone. Now check it phone root perfectly work or no. Okay. Install this root checkout. Source. Open. Agree. Okay. Verify root. Yes, it's work. You can see, congratulations, this device has root access. Okay, so if you like this video and if you think this video is helpful for you, so please subscribe this channel for more update solutions and like this video. Okay.